Hey guys, Adam with Aeroworks, and today we're going to talk a little bit about battery safety. If you've ever had a battery that has been puffed up, or puffy we call it, where the internal workings have expanded the plastic case, this is a dangerous situation and this battery needs to be disposed of properly. Now, there's a few ways you can do that. You can take it to like a recycling center or sometimes even a Best Buy. You can throw it into a bucket of salt water. Those are all things you can do, but that's boring. And here at Aeroworks, we like to do things a little bit different. Let's do some recycling.
Oh, you got some smoke there?